In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma variables to change the language using a drop-down. Whether you're a designer working on multilingual projects or just looking to improve your interface design skills, this guide will walk you through the entire process, step by step. Let's start by launching Figma, your go-to collaborative interface design tool. Once you're on Figma's homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not logged in already, just click on the login button at the top right corner. From there, enter your credentials and access your Figma workspace, where we'll be doing most of the work for this tutorial. Now that you're logged in, head over to the home section of Figma. This is essentially your base of operations where you can access all your recent projects and files. Make sure the project you're working with is open and ready for action. In our case, we want to have the design we're looking to modify available and up for edits. Next, it's time to locate your design file. Click on the Design tab to access the current visual project. Here we'll make the necessary modifications to include language changes. Be sure that your interface is set up and any necessary components are already arranged. Our objective is to integrate a language drop-down that will dynamically switch content based on user selection. With the design context at your fingertips, focus your attention on the Figma interface's right-hand side. There you'll see the Variables section. This feature is key to our task today since variables allow us to maintain dynamic content within our designs. Now let's click on Variables and bring up the options available for managing and creating new ones. Once the Variables window is open, you'll see an option to create a new variable. Click on Create Variable. This is where we will define the strings that will change depending on the language selection. Consider naming your variable clearly and concisely. Something like language selector works well to keep things organized. As you define the new variable, think carefully about the languages you'll be offering and the strings that need to be in each of these languages. Once your variable is created, it's time to link it with the drop-down. This link ensures that when a user selects a language, the corresponding variable triggers the change, updating the content on the screen to match the chosen language. Congratulations, you've now set up your design to dynamically change languages using Figma variables and a drop-down. By mastering this technique, you enhance the usability and accessibility of your designs, making them adaptable for a global audience. Thanks for following along, and happy designing!